You know, Michael, one of the things that I know and again, I work during the week as the policy director, I believe, of Social Security Works, an organization fighting to protect Social Security. And one of the tropes that we hear time and again from the folks in the sort of austerity for everyone but the rich community is that somehow there's a trade off between devoting resources to children and devoting resources to our seniors and our people with disabilities. How do you respond to that?
Well, I think this country is still very rich, and it can serve both the needs of its aging population as well as children. I don't think it's an either-or proposition. I think that some of our priorities are very skewed. Defense spending, I believe, is way more than it needs to be, and many other people who know more about the military than I do say the same thing. We have a very bloated health care system, medical care system, really. Formal studies of that say that at least 25 to 30% of a $3 trillion healthcare budget is wasted. The question of corporates paying appropriate taxes, subsidies to ExxonMobil, subsidies to farmers, all these things would be addressed before we would start saying, let's cut seniors and let's cut kids. By the way, the federal government spends about 7 times more per senior than per child. And part of that is...
Well, I would caution against using that figure because it doesn't take into account state and local spending, most of which is, education and a lot of the in-kind stuff that children get. But your point is extremely well taken, and I couldn't agree with you more. Michael, we have one question that we ask every activist every week, and that is, how did you get involved in activism?
Because at a very early age, growing up in the state of Maine, I saw people working very, very hard and struggling to get ahead. And when I went to a private college, I'm sure I was an early affirmative action candidate, a French-Canadian extract up in Maine. I went to a very nice little college called Bowdoin College, and I saw how well some people lived that didn't work very hard. And I thought, what is wrong with this picture? How come I know so many people work so hard and struggle to get ahead? And, of course, I was influenced by the Martin Luther King period. I grew up in the late 50s, early 60s, and John Kennedy's candidacy. And then I just saw a lot of people, ending their lives with not much money in their pockets, and a lot of kids who grew up struggling without much. So I grew up in a working-class environment, and I think that helped promote the activism.
Well, it is so inspiring. Michael Petit, the president of Every Child Matters, you are our Activist of the Week. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, and I'd urge your listeners to visit...
of course, strongkids.strongvirginia.com. We're going to be following that gubernatorial race very closely, and of course, everychildmatters.org as well. How about that, folks? Affirmative action for French Canadians. Need a little bit more of that in this country. That's what I think.
That's right.
When Take Action News continues... David Shuster is away on paternity leave, maybe making a little bit of a cameo appearance. We've also got breaking news out of Turkey as the police are clearing Gezi Park as we speak. When Take Action News continues after this.